Today I just want to show you a quick method that I'm using to make only profits on MT5 and also MT4, but it depends on the account that you have. So this is a, a derive account, and it's a derivative account of synthetics. So if you've traded in synthetics before, you will know what I'm really talking about. So we're trading synthetics, and that's say symbols like volatility index from 10 to 100, then steps, then booms, from of course boom 500 to boom 1000, and then crash, crash 300 and crash 1000. But my most preferred instrument or commodity is actually crash 300 index, which is this one here. So right now I'm gonna be making a buy, and of course after this I'll be showing you how this method exactly work. You can all make only profits forever using this method, and you won't have to regret it or even to use any other things. Just simple indicator that you have to put on the chart, and then finally you make your money and go away. So right now I've just entered a trade, and in a couple of just seconds or minutes I'll be making 100% of the money that I just paid, which is $15. Or you can just leave it to go up to 20, then I close at 20. So you keep on making this little by little, 20, 15, 30, 20, 15, 30, 20, 15, 30. For example, this was from yesterday, and I made something like $157. But that was not just the whole day. I made this in less than 30 minutes. And now today I've just started, just placed a few trends in just a few couple of minutes, but I'm already in $42 of profits, 43. So hopefully if I continue this for the whole day, I might end up entering something like $1,000. So we're gonna be talking about this in the coming tutorial. I have to show you this method, but before that, if you want to join the my channel, you can go to the channel. It's called WicketUB. Search the channel, enter the channel. You can watch some videos that I've put up for free, but also have a premium membership of not less than, I think, a few dollars. You can just pay a few dollars and be part of the premium membership on my channel. And within that membership, we really put up so many trading strategies that are so profitable in different accounts and different trading platforms. So in addition to that, we have so many trading premium materials like indicators and stuff like that. And we also have robots. And once you're part of this premium group of the premium membership of the channel, you have full access to the old trading robots, ranging from forex robots, synthetic robots, and also crypto robots for free. So previously I published a video about the crypto robots and also forex robots that I have. You can just subscribe to the channel, and I will add you in the group, or just send a comment that if you want to be added in the group, a free WhatsApp group and a free Telegram group where the robot gives free signals on a daily basis. You can give me a comment, and I will be adding you into that Telegram channel, and you'll be receiving free signals from the robot, free forever, and you'll be using them. So you can just comment on this comment section, then I will be adding you. Now another thing to say, we have packs on the channel, of course, clearance levels, or you can say membership levels. If you're in the first membership level, you are of course eligible to everything premium, but for those who have paid probably the second membership, the third and the fourth, actually up to the fifth pack, which happens to be the best, they have exclusive training, and we also trade for them. We do account management for them, for those who are actually busy and don't have time to keep on track and enter trends. We normally get into the accounts and connect them to the robots, and the robot will be executing trends on their behalf automatically, earning of course trends and closing them with profits. So all you have to do, if you are in these premium levels of about 4, from actually the third level to the fifth level pack, you won't even need to trade. All you have to do is to check on your account balance and withdraw whatever profits that have been made by the robot. So isn't that cool? So that's how cool it is. You don't have to do so much, and you can guide and search it, analyze the market. The market is still moving, but I think you can also risk some little bit of dollars here. See if you can make a few more dollars. Carry kanji. Okay, can close out some $3 to $4 out of the market. I'm closing out $4 because I wasn't prepared for this. I'm just entering the trend just to show you. It actually started a long time ago, so in a couple of minutes I will be entering more money. Okay, so that said, you can see these are my orders viewed and these are my deals, and everything is ending up in profits. So we can wait till this moves. Probably give us another entry point. Okay, so I think that's it. But don't forget to subscribe to the channel as usual. I published a video last time, which is it actually happens to be the last video on the channel, apart from this. And in that video, we were back testing our synthetics robots, which will be out probably by the end of this week and also be free. So you can watch that video. But in that video, surprisingly, we were making immense profits, yet the robot was still in the back testing stages. But hopefully the back testing will be done by the end of this week and the robot will be able to be published. So I will publish it with you. If you become a member, you will know which date we're going to publish, and you will be part and notified, of course. You'll be part of the publishing, and probably you have the privilege to use it in the first hand before anyone uses it. It doesn't matter whether the robot has so many users. You know, I've seen this weakness with so many robots. Once it's out there and it has so many people using it, it ends up making losses, yet in the first place it was making profits just because of the huge number of people using the same robot. So with our robots, they're exclusive, they don't have that same problem. They actually essentially act out of the market, and they send trends in the market. So their movements and their influence in the market is so much not noticeable, and that they end up making only profit consistently. And we guarantee that if it's done, finishing its of course levels, backtesting levels, it's gonna be working forever. Okay, so as I said in the first at the beginning, make sure you don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because that's very important. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.